morning, students.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Okay, so today I am going to ask a very simple question from you all. Can you measure the length of this cytophone with a
Yes,
scale?
sir.
Yes, okay. Can you measure the length of this line with the help of scale?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Uh, what is today's date?
4.
Okay. So you can easily measure the length of small lines or a small distance which can be which can be measured by scale. So my question is that will you be able to measure the height of the Qutub Minar with the help of scale?
No, sir.
Okay. Will you be able to measure the diameter of the moon or the diameter of the earth with the help of any kind of measurement scale?
No, sir.
Okay. So today I am going to tell you how to measure the length of great objects or larger objects. How? So to know this, today we are going to learn about your mathematics chapter which is named as trigonometry. First of all, I would like to tell you that why we learn about trigonometry. Usually students used to say when they become banker, teacher, or and in any other field they got job and they realize that what to do with the knowledge of trigonometry and why we have learned about trigonometry. But no one knows where destiny will take you. Like you must have heard about that recently Chandrayaan 3 has been launched and reached moon. So if they don't have the knowledge of trigonometry, they don't have knowledge of trajectory, then that was not possible, and that is just because of trigonometry. That's why we have to learn about trigonometry, because no one knows that who will go where. So what is trigonometry? Trigonometry says that in a triangle there is a ratio of sides. Ratio of sides. Let it be any sides. Like if in this triangle, this is 90-degree angle, this is hypotenuse, this is base, and this is perpendicular. Then trigonometry says that ratio of side is equal to trigonometric value of particular angle. Trigonometric value of particular angle. Let that angle theta here and let that triangle named as ABC, right angled at B. For your 10th class, you have to learn about only right angle triangle. So, there are some trigonometric ratios which you have to memorize, which are sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. And each trigonometric ratio is connected to the angle. It could be either this angle or this angle depending upon the situation or question. So this trigonometric ratio sine theta is equal to the ratio of two sides of triangle which are perpendicular and hypotenuse. Then cosine theta, cos theta means cosine theta means cos of any particular angle or cosine of any particular angle is equal to the ratio of base and hypotenuse of that triangle. I hope you all are clear. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base cot theta is equal to base upon perpendicular, sec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon base, and cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. These are the trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios. These ratios are very helpful to find the measurement or to find the length of any larger object with the help of angle, which could be concluded or measured by us with any kind of device which are used to measure angle. So now you can easily suppose this is Qutub Minar. Let it the perpendicular of a right angle triangle, and suppose you are standing here in front of the height of Qutub Minar. Let your height to be negligible, and suppose you are looking at the top of the Qutub Minar with a certain angle, and the distance between you where you are standing and the mid of the Qutub Minar is measurable. You can measure it very easily, like let it to be 30 meter or 10 meter or whatever which is measured by you. Now you just have to measure the angle, at what angle you are elevating your eyes to see the top of the Qutub Minar. It could be possible with a device to measure the angle. Suppose you have elevated your eyes 45 degree. Suppose you are looking at front and you have elevated your eyes 45 degree to see the top of the Qutub Minar, then it means the angle is, or angle of theta is 45 degree. Now we have to find this height of Qutub Minar. Let it be h. Now according to the trigonometric ratio rule, here you can see sine theta, we have to deal with the base and perpendicular, because this is perpendicular and this is base. So we will take this trigonometric ratio. We know that tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Here perpendicular is unknown, which is equal to h. So we will write h in place of perpendicular. Here base is known to us, the distance between where we are standing and the Qutub Minar, which is equal to 30 meter here. And theta, the angle elevated by our eyes to see the top of Qutub Minar, which is equal to 45 degree. So I can write here tan 45. This is just an example for your understanding. The angle could be 30 degree also, the angle could be 60 degree also. So now according to this, h is equal to 30 multiplied by the tan value of 30 degree. Now you don't know the tan 30 value. Do you know? Sorry, it's 45. What is the value of tan 45? Can anyone tell me? What is the value of tan 45? No one? Okay, I will tell you. You must have learned in your earlier classes that tan 45 is equal to 1. So here h will equal to 30 meter. Of course, the height of Qutub Minar is not 30, but this is just for your understanding that how the concepts and applications of trigonometric ratios works. This is how you will be able to find the height of large objects or very great height buildings which cannot be measured by scale. Is it clear to each and every one of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is all about trigonometric ratios and how they are useful. Thank you, class.